Every single person in this niche shows you the same thing, a screenshot of a big number, an arrow, and a shocked face on the thumbnail. But here's what nobody wants to admit. A screenshot is the easiest thing in the world to fake. Anyone with 10 minutes can make one. And after all the gurus that you've seen, deep down you already know that. So I'm not gonna show you a screenshot. I'm going to actually log in live to every single platform that actually pays me, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, AppSumo, and a few others, and show you exactly where $300 a day comes from and what that actually looks like. Real accounts, real dates, nothing edited out. But before I do that, here's the honest part. Because I'm not selling you a fantasy, this is what I've built in my own business over 5 years. It's not a promise that you'll get the same results. Actually, results are not typical, and most people who watch this will actually never put in the reps. So if you want overnight, this is not your video. But if you're the type of person who's been burned by the screenshot guys and you just want to watch someone finally prove it with their accounts open, you are exactly in the right spot right now. I will also show you something that breaks most people's brains. The platform that pays me the most is not the one you would actually guess. And one of these links made more on its own than some of my videos made all year. I'll open that one up at the end. So let's go ahead and log in right now. If you want to see how any of this is actually built, that is exactly what my community is, the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. It's in the first link below. Now let me keep showing you the proof. All right, so we're gonna log into Warrior Plus right here. You can see my name over here, come through over here, and you can see like Warrior Plus wallet. I'll just click on that. We'll see how much money we have in our wallet right now. We've got $1,743 right there, 200 pending. You can see all the sales right over here. And I just click this button right over here, withdrawal, and then that money will go into my PayPal account, and then I transfer it from my PayPal account over to my bank account, right? So I'm gonna go back over here to affiliate and dashboard, and I'll show you kind of what this looks like. I'm actually fixing to ramp this up, and you'll actually, and I'll make sure to subscribe because you'll actually see this $3,600 in the last 30 days. That's actually gonna go up quite a bit. Like a month or two ago, I had this one up to $8,000 just from Warrior Plus, and that's not even talking about the other ones that I'm gonna go over, the other platforms, right? So I can turn this on and heavily promote Warrior Plus products, and the more work I put in, the more money I make, and it's just as simple as that. What you're looking at right now is actually a very low, slow month, but you can see steadily, we've already made $43 today. Yesterday we made $75, last 7 days, $331, and then last 30 days, $3,600. We can go into last month, $3,800, so almost $4,000. And you can see that the earnings right here, see, boom, boom, boom. And like I said, this turns on, I have $500 days, all that stuff, and it all averages out, right? When I put all these combined, I'm at over 10K a month in affiliate commissions in my business. Now you can see over here, this is vendor. This is if I'm selling my own products on the platform, and you can see I'm making absolutely $0 from that. I literally live as an affiliate on the platform. Now, to show you some even more stats, I'll go to stats over here, and we can actually look at like maybe just like year to date, for example. So we'll go to year to date real quick, and you can see we're at $20,000 just on Warrior Plus, and we are just over the half year mark. So we're literally making $40,000 a year or more just on one platform, guys, just one platform, full-time job right here, okay? You can see right over here, I mean, almost $2,000 right there from that product, $1,600 from promoting audio dollars, Techo royalty, $1,500. I mean, look at all these products that I promoted that I've made over $1,000 with right over here. Okay, so this is just this year. 942 sales. This is all low ticket, an average of 22% conversion rate. Every time I send a visitor to one of these links, I make $4.63, which is just unheard of, right? Some of these products are like $14 EPC, right? That's estimated price per click, or how much money you actually make per click. Some of these are really, really insane numbers right there, right? And then I'm just gonna show you just real quick, we'll go over here to offers. Now, these are approved affiliate offers that I can go out and promote. All these I'm approved as an affiliate, right? And let me just show you some recent results. One that I'm currently in right now is, let's go down over to here, and I'm currently promoting a new product that's not really doing the best, but I'll click on this. It only has 50 sales. It's really not converting very well, the 10%. It's just not converting well. And so I'll come over here. It's Cozy Fantasy Royalties. Bought 50 sales, and you can see there's a contest right here. and you can see that I'm number 4 right here on the list out of all these affiliates that are selling it. I'm number 4. Hopefully I can, get back in here into the top 3. I was number 2. This morning when I checked. This is a big marketer, Alessandro Zamboni. They have a way bigger email list than I do, but certainly we're still on the leaderboard right over there. Then I'll come over here and I'll go back into offers, and I'll show you one more where I actually did win the affiliate contest. Come down here to this one right here, Pagecraft. This one did have over 100 sales on this product. We'll come down here. We'll go into the affiliate contest right here, and you will see that I got number 2 right here, and then I got paid an additional $150 for prize money on Warrior Plus. So this is just the one platform right here, Warrior Plus. All right, so now let's go into the second one. I'm gonna go over here. We are on Warrior Plus right over here. Okay, so I had to sign the new annual agreements with JVZoo. Now, JVZoo is very heavy on software, so it does match really well with my LearnWire YouTube channel brand. I haven't been promoting in the last maybe 2 or 3 months, so don't let the numbers fool you over here, because I'll actually show you the amount that I've made on here. It's just that I haven't really been promoting these products lately. I do have a lot of evergreen products that sell. It looks like I did make a little sale today right over here, and I'm not getting a very good commission rate on that right there at all. I don't even know what that is. That's not a good commission rate, but we'll go over here to affiliates. We'll go over to affiliate dashboard. And then what we'll do is we'll just go over here, and I'm just curious on, I'm going to go with custom, and I want to go with January to August right now and search. So we'll just look at this year, like what have I done on the platform this year? So we're at about $8,000 this year on the platform. So not quite as much, almost half as much as Warrior Plus. That would make sense. I have done a lot more promoting on Warrior Plus this year, but you have almost $8,000 right there. And then we come over here and we'll go to all time just to see. I think it's definitely over 50,000 because I got a $50,000 plaque or badge for this. So it's loading right here. Again, nobody else is willing to log into their accounts and actually show you live how much money they make in all these platforms. The gurus, they just fake screenshots for you. They don't show you proof that they actually know how to make money with affiliate marketing. And that's what I'm here to actually put to rest and be that person that can hopefully help guide you in the right direction, that this is possible for you, that you can make money in this business if you actually follow some simple steps and that you're consistent and you actually put the work in. You can actually make some really good money with this. Okay, a quick pause because I know what you're thinking. Okay, it's real. He showed us the proof, but how do you actually do this? The full step-by-step lives inside my community, the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, where I walk you through this step by step alongside with other community members doing this exact thing right now. You can check it out with the first link in the description. You can see we're at $61,000. One software made me $20,000 right here. It was a keyword tool. $61,000 on JVZoo right there. So I'm going to log in for the third dashboard to show you. Before I do that, right, that's hosted over here on Impact. And I make sales for software like on AppSumo. Those are lifetime deal softwares. I'll come through over here and just let you know that I did block their name out just for, privacy, because I don't have their permission to put them on a YouTube video and give that information out. But I will log in and all right, so I'm logged into my Gmail account here, and I can just show you that, I created a video right here. They wanted to use that video, and I'm going to, I give them access to my video that they want to use. And it just says, I also wanted to share that you've cracked our top 2 affiliates, YouTube affiliates, consistently over the past couple of months. And they want to make changes to our partnership, affiliate partnership. They increased my commissions and increased my sponsored videos and all that. Like, they reached out to me and did those things. I didn't even have to reach out to them, which is really, really cool. So thanks for the great work. So number 2 and YouTube affiliate for them. They have tens of thousands of affiliates, and I've been partnered with them for about 5 years now. So when I come through here and start showing you, I'm going to go sign in right in front of you. We're going to go sign into this. Let me go right here, and I'm going to go ahead and log in right in front of you, so you can see how we are actually logging in, not hiding anything, not faking screenshots or anything like that. Come through right here. Then we'll start looking. So we have $4,600 in pending that still needs to be paid out right here. We can go in here to reports and performance by day. Again, nobody showing you these real numbers. It does exist. You can make money with low ticket affiliate marketing with free traffic using YouTube if you do it the right way. Okay. So you can see right over here, we have some good days right there, $100, $97, $37 right there. I'm going to come through here and just kind of look at, I'll just go with We'll look at like the last 60 days real quick. And then you can see the chart right over here, right? It's just very consistent. Total earnings of 5,200. And then you'll see it right there. And then I'll come over here and just go with like, I'm gonna go and just put in from 2019. And then you can see right over here, the total earnings are $150,000 right here that I've made on this platform. And you can see the steady right here. It's just been nonstop for the last, since 2021, when I started selling as an affiliate. And you can see it's just steady, completely evergreen all the time. Even some really big days over here where we can kind of highlight in, that's January. So now I'm going to go back over here and just show like this year. And you can see, you know, some really big days like right over here, $2,500 day right there, $1,500 days, $1,500 days, $2,000 day, $1,500 days. You can see right there, $811 days. Nice and steady, evergreen right here. Usually a lot of this ramps up when they have events, which like next week, they actually have an event that's coming out, an AI tool week. And so I'll participate in that and I'll make as many videos as I can to get those out. The fourth dashboard that I want to show you, and I have several of these right here, like this is SEOwriting.ai. It's a software that doesn't live on Warrior Plus, doesn't live on JVZoo, doesn't live on Impact. It's not an AppSumo thing. It's not a lifetime deal. This is a monthly SaaS. And I have several of these as well, like Koala Writer, all those. I could log into those and show you tens of thousands of dollars as well. But I'm just going to show this one for now. And this just proves to you that you don't have to be like this isn't just because of Warrior Plus. My success didn't come from just Warrior Plus. It didn't come from JVZoo. It didn't come from just being the top AppSumo affiliate. These are one-off softwares like this right here, where anybody can go out there and go to their sales page and go down to the very bottom and click on become a partner or become an affiliate and start going out and making YouTube videos and start making commissions as well. So this just puts that to rest, where you can go out to any software, and if they have an affiliate program, as long as you just follow the simple process that I teach in my school community, you can go out there, start making simple tutorial videos, giving value and starting to make money like this. Okay. So I'm going to log into SEO Writing. This is hosted on First Promoter, which is an affiliate management tool as well. It's a very popular one. We're going to come right over here and you can see $15,356 right here. We have $43 due paid out. I have not made a video for SEOwriting.ai in years, and I'm still making money. We've made 262 sales right here, and this is a lot of it is going to be reoccurring. Now look, very important, one affiliate link. This is one link right here. I probably made like 10 videos, one link. And over the course of the first year that they came out, I probably made 10 videos and I made $15,000 from that. So this just proves you can go out there to a site like a Product Hunt or, you know, any announcement list. You know, there's a AI tool for that or something like that. There's a bunch of sites like that that are basically latest AI tool directories. You can go out there and find the latest tools, go out there, see if they have an affiliate program, see if they have some traffic going to them, and then go and just start making some tutorials. And then you can actually start getting some cash in your account, just like this. And the next video breaks down the exact process too. I will point you in that direction right at the end. All right, so that is every dollar on screen, nothing hidden. One link outperformed a whole year of a channel. That is the entire point here. It is not about views, it is about what the right link does quietly in the background. If you want to see exactly how I set this up, that video is right here.